Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus on your iPhone. So basically you have two options how to check it. The first one, you can create a widget. To create a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, or you can also click at the search and write batteries here. Then tap at this line. Here is 3 presets, you need to select the best one for you and then click Add Widget at the bottom. And right here you can check your battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected to your phone. But right here we have general battery percentages, so the better option is the second method, is to use an application. You need to open Creative app, then of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. You will see them at the device list, but maybe you will already open this menu. And right here we have battery percentages for the left and right earbuds, but we haven't for the charging case, even if I put these earbuds to the charging case. Yeah, amazing. So as you saw, nothing changed. Okay, maybe I can already enter here. Can I? Okay, so as you can see, nothing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!